Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. December is flying by and many of us are already thinking about how to start the new year feeling our best with dry January just around the corner. Today, I want to share why pairing it with a detox is the perfect combination for your health reset. But first, for those of you who have never heard of dry January, let me explain. Dry January originated in the UK in 2013 as a public health initiative. The challenge is to remove alcohol from your diet for the month of January, but it's gained traction globally, including in the US. Now, awareness varies, and while some Americans participate actively, many still aren't fully familiar with the campaign or its benefits. Dry January gives your liver a well-deserved break. But did you know that you can take it a step further? And here's how. Detoxing during dry January not only amplifies the benefits of abstaining from alcohol, but also helps reset your digestion, reduce inflammation, and improve skin clarity. In addition, detoxing during this challenge can support healthier liver function, reduce sugar cravings, improve mood and energy, all of which I'm going to be participating in, doing this for myself during dry January, where I'll be doing a 10-day herbal regimen and pairing this with a liver-friendly diet. Now, although the challenge is to remove alcohol from your diet in the month of January, you can enhance the health benefits by doing this 10-day detox plan to combine this as a tool to enhance the benefits and get started on the road to a healthier cycle. Now, this can help you kickstart healthier lifetime habits, whether you want to maintain good well-being or improve your health. And maybe, you'll feel so good that you'll want to continue your detox right through the month of January, just to deepen the results. Now, one thing that I've learned about dry January is that you are less likely to drink too much during the rest of the year. But combining it with a 10-day detox plan amplifies the benefits by not only giving your liver a well-deserved break, but also resetting your entire system, boosting energy, improving digestion, and helping you build healthier habits that can last all year. Now, herbs like dandelion root and turmeric are powerhouse ingredients in my 10-day detox program. They help your liver process and eliminate toxins more efficiently. Now, think of these herbs as your liver's best friend, giving it the support it needs to work at its best. Skipping alcohol often reveals sugar cravings. My detox includes marshmallow root, which soothes digestion and helps curb cravings as well. So, no more reaching for biscuits or sugary treats during those alcohol-free evenings. But many people notice better sleep, increased energy during dry January, and adding a detox helps maximize these effects by reducing bloating and brain fog. Now, my detox plan isn't just about cutting things out. It's about adding nourishing, healthy habits. With simple recipes and soothing herbal teas and daily tips, this program is designed to make you feel supported every step of the way, because you can join my Telegram group and get support from a community of like-minded health seekers to root you on and also reach out with any questions. And if you have any questions about it, just add your comments below. And also, let me know, have you heard of dry January? So in the meantime, stay tuned for the details, because I'll be sharing with you in the next few days where I'll reveal how the 10-day detox program works before I launch it, so you can get the inside scoop before it begins, and you can begin your new health journey, which includes a detailed ebook with recipes and access to high quality herbs at 50% off your first purchase, available at naturalworkshops.com. I'll add the link in the description below, including the Telegram group link where you can join now. So thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share this video, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on upcoming videos on natural solutions for your well-being. And make sure that you get a copy of my detailed 10-day detox plan. So stay happy, be healthy, and always be wise.